Hello everyone, my name is Firdianto Sakatama. I'm from R4B. I want to recommend English learning application using English Central. This application it contains video, speaking, and text. It improves your listening, speaking, and learning word. The advantage of English Central application. First, there are three levels or stages from beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Two is there are some interesting feature. Three, there are many topic of video and quiz. 4. Increase your listening and speaking and learning words too. 5. Have have a live conversation with a private tutor. The first is home menu or home feature. There are various topics and have a 3 level or 3 stage from beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The topic such as business, media, social, travel, academic, kids, and grammar, pronunciation, useful expression. The second is search. Search function to find topics that you want to learn other than those in the home. Example, I want to find about career and have a tree about career. First is courses, video, and word. So after finding the topic, you need to look the left corner. There are the number with the color. The number with the color to determine the level of difficult. Number 3 and 4 with the color is blue, that is intermediate. So there is a easy, and 5 and 6 there are advanced, so that's a very difficult. After that, just select it. Third, my video. My video is the storage of video after you watch. Storage will be sorted according to stage or level. For example, I will choose this video. In each video, there are 3 features. The first is watch video for listening, learn the word by type in missing word, and finally is speaking the lines to learn speaking and improve pronunciation. So if you choose the watch the video,
good morning, sir.
You can listening about a conversation in this video, and you can learn the words too.
Hello.
Could I see your passport and visa documentation?
Yes, here they.
So if you don't know a word, you can tap the word, and
Here.
there are how to pronounce word and how to sound. You can
Here.
click this it's good for you if you want to learn and learn the word. You learn a word in video, you choose maybe is word you want to learn.
Yes, here they are.
When you listen, you type a missing word. Like this here. So that's correct, and you can learn like that. Final is speak the line. You can choose you want to learn to speak. Example, I choose one, this.
Do you have anything to declare?
After you listen, you practice speaking. You can tap the icon microphone and then you speak, and then you have a score. You speaking, you can see I'm bad speaking. There's a 45%, so you can try to increase your pronunciation and speaking too. 4 is my words. My word is like a quiz word to learning word, and you can choose how many words you want to learn. I learned 2 words like this.
Here.
Obama's speeches have been a huge success here in Japan.
And then you choose the correct answer. What's the meaning of here? So you can choose in this place. Yeah, that's correct. And
Stay.
If you don't have plans, you can always just stay home, rearrange your closet full of daytime Emmy statues, and spend the rest.
so what's the meaning of stay? Stay is to be in place and not live. So I correct again. So that is your increase your learning words and your knowledge about word and vocabulary too. 5 is upgrade. You can upgrade account with a pay to get unlimited access video and get a go live feature for live conversation with a private tutor. So that's all application English Central, and this application is very easy to use and can help you learning English. Maybe you can upgrade to a premium if you want to a private with a tutor. So thanks for watching.